Hi guys, I'm Wana from the Midnight Mouse and I have a medieval mini problem with a new unboxing from Fantasy Welt. I found these kits from Deep Cuts a couple of years ago and I fell in love with the idea. I really like collecting town people and NPCs, and I think these kits are one of the best. And took me quite a while to find this one as well. I have two more, but for now we're unboxing this one. Let's have a look. Look how pretty is that. I really love the map, and we can see here a couple of details. Oh, these are the bases. Oh, not only the bases. We have some extras. Oh, this is actually an extra shop style. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, and here is a small shop stand. Shop rack. Yeah. What else? We have a tiny forge and it has a battery. Oh, okay. Okay. So I have first to remove this, I guess. That's awesome. It's so cool. We have another stall. What else? A folly. Some leather tanning rack. I really love the details. These are so well done. Another rack, and this is. Now, I'm not entirely sure if this is something for the forge. You should put water in it, maybe. There's a tree stump. Another tree stump. The anvil. And some tiny tools. Look at the tiny tools. These are amazing. Oh, let's see the characters. Oh, no, first. Something else here. So I'm discovering this along with you. It's a bench. It's a hanging rack, I guess. I don't know. I'll be creative, I promise. Oh, and this is an armor stand. This is nice. Okay, let's see the characters. I would love to paint her. I like the details and the textures. Oh, it's a fishing man. Look at the little fish. It's a fishing man. These are amazing. We have a couple more. An archer, a rogue, I guess. And this is a woman. I don't know exactly what this is, but I would guess he's creating glass, maybe? Oh, I love the monk. I really do. I actually need him for a miniature, for a diorama. I did not know he comes in the set. Another rogue. What else? The village fool, I guess. I think we have everything. Oh, it's a poet or an actor. That's cool. And here's another one. So I can actually create a small theater, maybe? This guy is huge. But look at the details. Look at these details. And the last one. She's amazing. I love it. So, yes, these are all the minis in the set. I really like them and the variety of characters. And in my next video I'll show you my pile of shame. Thank you for watching. Bye.